My name's Ryker. I'm a UCF former kicker, and I went to Dr. Browning for a labrum repair. He helped me get back to the sport that I love. When I got to high school, I started playing football, started kicking with different coaches and just trying to perfect my craft. Got ranked 19th in the nation, Appalachian State up in North Carolina. They contacted me, asked me to come up there and play, and I spent 2 years up there. When I got to App State, I ended up hurting my quad due to a groin injury. I just kept on having groin injuries every 6 months. The App State medical team couldn't figure it out. So when I transferred to UCF, it happened again. So I went to Dr. Browning and I got my second opinion, and he figured out that it was a torn labrum. It was very critical that I got in and saw him when I did, because I got in right before the season and I ended up starting and being completely healthy all season for kickoff. Every couple months I'd go back in and get another x-ray, and he'd go talk to me about what's the next step and what I should do and what I shouldn't do. He answered everything. If I called him at any time of night, he'd answer my questions. He did a lot of things for me, and he got me healthy to play the sport that I loved. I trusted Dr. Browning and Florida Orthopedic. Got back healthier and faster than what I should have, and it's all thanks to him and his team.